Hey everyone, Mike DiDonato here from Fiama Canada, and today we're going to be learning how to descale the Jura GIGA 6. What you need to complete this process is the Jura descaling tablets, which come in a 3-pack or a 36-pack, precisely 600 milliliters of water. And pro tip, I always like using 2 large containers or receptacles, even cups, anything to put under the central spouts and the hot water spout found on the left-hand side. Now, if you're using a filter, it's important to remove it before beginning this cycle. The reason for doing that is because the descaling solution will essentially render it useless, and any coffee run in after the fact will taste a little bit funky. So don't forget to remove your filter if you're using one. Now, to start the process, you're going to go to the maintenance menu and click decalcify. It's going to be a big red button. It'll be very clear. Once you start the process, it'll ask you to empty the tray. Always remove the tray and empty anything inside of it. Put the tray back in place and then get ready with your descaling solution. Now what you're going to do is take your precise 600 milliliters of water and add your 3 tablets. Allow those tablets to fully dissolve into the water. Once you have a nice clear blue liquid, you're going to add them to the tank and put the tank back on the machine. The machine will then begin the descaling process. Don't forget to put your 2 receptacles under the spouts. Once that process is complete, it will ask for fresh water. Now what you're going to do is remove the receptacles, empty the spent water, take your water tank, give it a nice rinse, and add fresh clean water to it. Once you have fresh water in the tank, put it back on the machine, add your 2 receptacles back, and the process will continue. After about 30 to 40 minutes, your descaling process will be complete. You'll have to empty the tray one last time, and you're done. Thanks for watching how to descale the Jura GIGA 6. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Fiama_Canada and check out our website, www.fiama.ca, for all your cleaning and maintenance product needs.